Hey, deserving listeners. Today I'm going to answer patron emails about the following things. This is kind of a mini deep dive on 3 different issues. One is repetition compulsion. Another is evidence-based psychodynamic therapy. And the third is Oedipus complex. I grouped these 3 patron emails together and allowed myself to, look into all the various literature and to really contemplate these 3 things, particularly repetition compulsion and Oedipus complex. As I do talk about repetition compulsion, and I get a lot of questions about Oedipus complex. And so today I'm going to go into detail about that. But I want to reserve this for patrons of the podcast because I want to reward you for becoming a patron of the podcast. So if you are a patron, you're going to hear this full episode. And if you're not, this episode will end before the content begins. And I really do apologize for that. But if you haven't become a patron yet, do so now. Go to patreon.com, become a patron of the podcast, and you'll get access to this episode, along with hundreds of other, of our best episodes that are only available to patrons. So go to patreon.com, do it now.